Alright, planted 2 to 3 bulbs in each hole, made them big enough for that purpose. I still have a ton left, and that's just one bag. I've got like 3 others at the top of the hill. Okay, this is what I just planted. 100 assorted daffodils. Down here at the bottom of our driveway. Put some here. I put the majority right in here. And I still have about 500 more to plant. Don't tell my wife. Welcome to, or welcome back to, Sow Grow. My name is Lube. Today we're going to continue the land clearing video from last time, and we're going to use the heavy hitch land leveler to level the ground and prepare the seed bed. And then I have a bunch of prairie seeds, so it's a mixture of native grasses and native wildflowers. Come along as we prepare the ground and plant some seed. As you can see, there's a bunch of ruts and just uneven ground from the land clearing process, and I've already started a little bit, and you can see how much better it is after even just one pass. If you enjoy this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, and a share. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Well, I'd say that's pretty level compared to what it was. I do have these piles over here, which I kind of threw into a low spot, but there's also a bunch of roots and branches and sticks. And I'm going to have to switch to the grapple and pull out of there. But other than that, another successful land leveling project. I really like this heavy hitch land leveler. So I got the grapple hooked back up. Let's get rid of these piles right here. And then some of you are wondering what I'm going to do with like these little twiggy bits that I haven't been able to rip out. I or my mother-in-law will come through and prune them with loppers and then treat them with Tordon so they don't come back. I also have to take out this dead ash tree right here. And that'll be some firewood, that's for sure. And then I need to take out this ash tree from the mound. And then I'm going to level off the mound and make the slope up to the top not so steep. And so I can get a mower up there. I'm going to plant grass. And it's going to be part of my disc golf course. So that'll be tee number 2 of 9. Well, the sun's setting for today. The geese are overhead. hear their wings. That's pretty cool. Anyway, got it pretty level. Tomorrow I'll come back through with the leveler, clean this up a little bit where I had all those piles, and then I think we're going to get to seeding, and I'm just going to hand broadcast it. It's not a very big area, and we'll go from there. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like, a share, and a subscribe if you would. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks. Okay, today it's time to plant some prairie grass seed. Alright, this year I just decided to get a seed mix from Pheasants Forever. Here's the seed list. It's all native to Iowa, where we live. Most of the seed itself was grown in Iowa, which is great. And it is from the Aladdin Seed Company in Winterset, Iowa. Then the rest of this seed I'm going to put in what we've been calling the crop circle. We had a bunch of weeds in here. I mowed them down, sprayed them. So we'll put some seed down and see what happens. This shit is expensive, man. This bag is like $200. Alright, I'm just letting the tractor warm up here a bit, and then I'm going to take it and I'm just going to drive over the seed and compact it into the soil a bit more. I don't have a cultipacker, but tread on the tires will probably work pretty good. I've had decent success with it in the past, so we'll just try it again. Like I said, I'd love to have a seeder, and if you guys know of an affordable one, please let me know in the comments. Well, we're supposed to get some snow in the next couple of days, maybe more next week. And I'm contemplating just skipping putting straw down. Just wing it. I did that last year with my other prairie, and that seemed to work out pretty well. Yeah, I think the real problem we have is just we're on sandy soil, so any sort of moisture we get, like it just rained a ½ inch last night, and it's just powder because it's sand. It just soaks right through. But you know what? We're just gonna see what happens. Grip it and rip it is what I like to say.